Hey guys, it's Amtrak and O-Scale. So today we got another package. This is actually a new locomotive I just got, so let's crack right into it. Yeah, I ordered this from Nicholas Smith. It's one of those things like I really didn't want to buy another locomotive because it was expensive, but it's one of those things that I had to have in my collection in order for it to make sense. So we're just gonna open this right up. Yeah, no, it's not a Lionel locomotive. It's an MTH locomotive because I only have one Lionel locomotive, and I only buy Legacy from Lionel when I need it, because I just prefer MTH in general. They don't have any quality control issues. Well, they do. They do have quality control issues, but it's nowhere near as pronounced as Legacy is. That or people just don't complain enough. Alrighty. So, here we go. Perfect. So it says -840 BW, but that's because they don't do that. Here. This way. Thank you. Sorry. Here we go. Let's keep opening. Yeah, it says -840 BW, but that's because they used the -840 BW frame, which is wrong, but it's only a few scale feet, so I'm not going to complain too much. Plus, it's a lot better than... Oh no, I forgot about styrofoam. That's going to be annoying. But yeah, it's a lot better than having to waste my time trying to find an Atlas locomotive. So here we go. If you don't mind, can you not move it so much? Thank you. You're doing a great job, and I appreciate your help. Okay. Yeah, so this is a Phase 5 -832 BWH by MTH. And I gotta say, you know what? It was worth it. They did a good job. So we'll pop all the styrofoam out. And after I take a good look at it, we're going to take it downstairs and go to the test track, see how it runs. You won't have to be here for that. Don't worry about that. I know you got stuff to do. And yeah, so this is kind of a look around at the locomotive. So here we've got the very nicely done paint scheme. This is Phase 5. Really like how they did this. The blue is slightly different, and it's more realistic than the blue on my other locomotive, which I'll kind of compare real quick after I take a little tour around it. So here we've got the ditch lights, headlights, and marker lights here, which was perfect. In the catalog, they didn't have that, and I was like, oh, come on, guys, you really going to do this again? Because they had previously released a Rail King -8 in this scheme, and it did not sell very well because it didn't have marker lights. But yeah, back here, there's the marker lights, headlight. Overall, it's really well detailed. I'm definitely happy with it. We'll see. I'm going to have the sound set changed eventually because right now it's the Texas Eagle. No, it's Sunset Limited. It's default the Sunset Limited, and that's not very realistic for my area. I mean, yeah, Sunset Limited does run in the LA area, but it's really not all that realistic for my area. So we'll have this. So you can kind of see the difference in the blues here. Yeah, you can definitely see the difference in the blues. So this is definitely a more realistic Amtrak blue. That's kind of a MTH guessed it blue, but it's definitely a great one to add to the collection. And we'll move this over here. Definitely a great one to add to the collection, and very happy with it so far. So hoping that I can get the projects that I'm working on sorted soon. Right now I'm trying to get that Phase 4 Heritage Unit project done. But yeah, that's going to do it for this part of the video, and I'll see you downstairs. Alright guys, so we're downstairs. I have not fired this up yet. I know what the sound set sounds like, but we'll see what happens with this locomotive. I haven't fired it up yet, so we'll see if anything's wrong with it. And yeah, here we go. Cue the Jeopardy theme song while the caps charge. It'll take forever. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. There we go. I gotta say, I do like the sound set, but I don't think it sounds enough like a 7 FDL12. But, you know, whatever. There's not much we can do about it. I know, like, it hits the close enough mark enough for me. The bell's pretty good. I wish it was a little bit faster, but that's a minor gripe. You know, it's, like I said, it is what it is. It's close enough. Don't like the horn too much, but it's minor gripe. It's not like we can do anything about the horn, really. Because the sound set I'm going to change it to has pretty much the same horn. It doesn't look like anything's wrong with it, which is a good thing. Smoke's pretty good. Markers look good. Oh shit, yeah, that's right. I haven't seen the back of it. Let's see if the markers are on the back. Okay, the markers on the back part. I mean, it's not something I really care about, because honestly, I could care less whether they work or not. Actually don't want them to work, and the rear headlight works too. Okay, that's just good. I know, like, that for me, I don't want those to work. In fact, I'm later gonna go and disassemble this a little bit and disable them, so I don't have to deal with it, because like I just don't want to have to disable it in DCS and deal with all of that. So I'm just gonna permanently disable them later. But it's good to know that they work, so if I want to re-enable it, I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, that looks pretty snazzy. Actually very pleased with it. Let's see. That's not it. Nope, hold on. That's not it, hold on.
Now arriving from Orlando on track number 1. Train number 1, the Sunset Limited.
Yeah, see, that's the problem. First of all, the Sunset Limited hasn't gone to Orlando in God knows how many years. Like, geez. And second of all, it's not realistic for my region, really. So I'm gonna get it switched to the other sounds that they have for the Dash 8s, which is it's the Phase 3, and it's number 3. It's the Southwest Chiefs, and that's a lot more realistic for my area. So definitely get that switched out. Now, the reason why I chose this one in particular is because 505 is based in Los Angeles, and it's just something I had to have, because, you know, every respectable, like, person who really is into Amtrak has to have one of these. They gotta have a Dash 8. At least one. You know, because P40, let's be honest, P42s are going to crap. And God knows how much longer they're going to be around. Obviously, Amtrak's going to have these P32s for a while because they have lower mileage and they're good as yard switchers. But it's good to have at least one of these for that reason.
Track number 1, train number 1, the Sunset Limited.
Yeah, You gotta have one of these.
Why don't we grab that for?
Plus, surfliners have dash lights on them pretty frequently, actually. Especially now with the Chargers taking over. And P-42 is not always being available.
Hurry up, we're gonna miss our train. We've got a clear signal.
Not bad. Be right back. Yeah, the ditch light's out on this one. I'm gonna have to get that fixed. A little bit disappointing, but oh well. Yeah, you'll notice how the rear headlight is disabled on that one. So, alright, let's shut this down and I'll give my verdict. I just noticed something. I'll have to fix it later. But, alright, so what's my verdict? Well, I think it's a very solid locomotive. I think MTH did a good job with what they had. I give it a solid 85% and 8.5 out of 10. So, yeah, that's pretty much my review of this locomotive. If you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like and consider subscribing if you want to see more. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.